What's your opinion on the state of the world today, sir, with all that's going on with the coronavirus and the economy? How you feeling?
Clean habits, that's all. Practice clean habits.
God bless. Passenger needs medical assistance, which in my language means that we're walking.
This is God saying, sit your ass down, slow your ass down.
You think so?
Yeah, exactly. That's
right.
my belief system.
Stay blessed.
Which one did you go first?
Try that one, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
So what's going on?
Yeah, the more so the economic and I guess sort of political effects of just the fallout.
Yeah, I mean, that's a good question. I think unknowns create chaos in markets, in all kinds of marketplaces.
Very true.
So chaos, but I think once people start to see how things are going to work, things will settle down.
How long do you think it's going to take for things to go back to normal?
Right. Well, what is normal?
Good question.
Yeah, so I can't predict. And I remember after September 11th, you know, a lot of people had different points of view. Many people were like, leave the city now. And mine was, no, absolutely not. So how long did things take to settle out? Because people were sure.
Well, downtown was just off limits, but the other parts of the city that weren't affected, you know, business kind of went on as usual after like 2 weeks.
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken.
No, I really don't remember. I just don't remember.
Last question, I guess. What are you doing to stay safe?
Not enough, probably, because I'm a little bit of a skeptic, but I'm wearing gloves.
Okay, very, very true. Yeah, it's
I'm not licking myself or strangers.
fair enough, fair enough. I think those are all good things to do. Well, thank you very much. Stay safe.
Of course, you